Hey gang, Poppy here. Hi. This is a product review, a preliminary product review of the little grinder I showed you in my last unboxing. Because I just got out of the hospital and not supposed to pick up anything heavier than 5 pounds. I'm not supposed to stress or run around like crazy. I was watching Godfather 3, the last half hour or 45 minutes of it, to see who died, you know. And I had the little grinder there sitting. Imagine the chair arm it's sitting on. And about the only way I could really do it. You see the last remnant of the green paint they cook on the stainless steel water bottles and tea kettles. You see how fairly nicely they took it off. You see there's a little bit of modeling here. It's because I was going Obviously you're not going to get perfect, polishing that way. But, this is what they call a deburring and pre-polishing wheel. Basically, it's super duper Scotch-Brite. That green pad you scrub the Teflon out of your... Yeah. Anyway, it worked good. I'm doing it by hand and all that. It works real good. I haven't tried the grinding wheel yet because I got to take the grinder out to the shop to do that and far away. Seriously. As I flex shaft attachment is hobby grade. Low hobby grade. But I didn't buy the grinder for that. I bought it for a small variable speed grinder. The small being important because my shop is small. My machinery is small. I make small parts. And I'm recording. Was important to me. The deburring and polishing Scotch-Brite wheel, nice. Yeah, I admit that's nice. But, I didn't want a big grinder. I could have get a 7, 8-inch bench grinder for half the money at the local big box store. No variable speed and too big for my installation. So, I'm happy with my grinder so far. I'll let you know next time I grind a tool on it, or should I say when I grind a tool on it. Good night from California.